So this is a fruit salad that is used in different areas in West Africa. And essentially with this fruit salad, you can use any sort of ingredient, like you can use any sort of fruits that you have on hand that work for you. What we do in this recipe is we recommend a pineapple, one full pineapple, or you can use 3 15-ounce pineapple cans, depending on what's available to you. 3 mangoes, or if you don't have mangoes, using 3 bananas. With this recipe today, we're going to be using mangoes and pineapples. So we have that here. We have some pineapple, some mango, some coconut milk, and some honey. So those are the ingredients we're going to be using for this recipe today. And it's a really easy no-cook recipe, and it makes a delicious fruit salad that you can also use for your summer parties. Just add as a nice, tasty, healthy dessert after you had like your full dinner. And it's very, very easy to make. So I've taken a full fresh pineapple, and I basically cut it up into pineapple chunks right here, like I show right here. And essentially you're just going to pour this into your bowl. Then I have about 3 to 4 mangoes. You can add more or less depending on your preference. I used about 3 mangoes here, and I basically just cut them up, dice and chop them. So you're going to pour that into the bowl as well. And then you're going to take 4 tablespoons. This is some coconut milk. I just use coconut. You can get any form of canned coconut milk anywhere at the store. It doesn't really matter brand or style. Just get any coconut milk that works. And you're going to take about 4 tablespoons of coconut milk, and you're going to pour it over the salad. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then lastly, you're going to take some honey. So you're going to take about 1 tablespoon of honey, and you're going to pour it over the fruit salad. So essentially your salad already has a lot of fruit, and it's, you know, pretty healthy. It's pretty sweet. I mean, it's pretty healthy, but it's also pretty sweet. And you're basically going to go and just add some honey to that. Add about a tablespoon of honey to your recipe. It's taking some time to come out here. And after that, you're just going to mix up all of these ingredients. It's a very quick, very easy salad to make, easy fruit salad to make, and it's super tasty. I never thought of using coconut milk in my salads, but in my fruit salads, but it honestly tastes really great. And it honestly tastes really great, especially in combination with the honey and the tropical fruits. So I think this is, you know, such a great recipe. I'm just waiting for the honey to come down. Okay, it's coming out now. Basically, just going to measure it out. So I've measured about 1 tablespoon of honey, and I'm going to pour that into the recipe. And now all you're going to do is essentially mix all of this, just kind of so that all the fruits get coated with the coconut milk and the honey that you just poured. And you're going to coat all of it. Make sure it's a good mixture. Add some spillage. And essentially, that's it. I'm just making sure I get a nice little even coating here. And voila! You have your beautiful after chop fruit salad. You can also add some yogurt, some low-fat yogurt, plain yogurt, or granola to this recipe. You can use other fruits such as papaya or grapes or blueberries, basically whatever you have on hand. And it's just a really quick, easy recipe, and I think it makes a great tasty dessert.